AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length assembly with an unwind station to precisely cut sheets of heavy-duty craft paper from roll form at various lengths. Rolls of material are loaded onto the cantilevered unwind. Unwind station has a variable speed motor and control panel. From the unwind, material travels under the dancer arm as it controls the speed and tension of the material web. Material then travels over an idler roller and is pulled into the cut-to-length station. A set of precision ground urethane rollers pulls the material into the cut-to-length station. Pressure between rollers can manually be adjusted by the operator. A toggle switch allows for the operator to lift the idler roller for easy setup of a new web. Material is then cut by a pneumatically operated D2 heat-treated tool steel blade. Cut material then falls down a short safety enclosed exit chute. A jam sensor will automatically shut the unit down when there is no material exiting the knife assembly. Unit has a color touch screen for easy setup and operation. Custom cut lengths and cycles can be input on the unit's touchscreen. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.